This video will make you guys learn how to tell the real raw hair and the different branded hair. A lot of ladies ask me how to tell the difference between the raw hair and the Remy hair, and in this video I'm sure you can really learn the real things. You just need the scissor, this one. Firstly, I'll pick this one. Remember, you hold the bundle, use like this, and the head just on the opposite side. Not point at you. This side not point at you, but you hold this like this. And the opposite side, this one. And use the scissor. Don't hold the scissor like this. Hold the scissor like this. Okay? And scrap. You need to scrap the hair from top to down. Scrap the hair like this. Okay. Hold the scissor. Hold the hair. Bundle one hand. Hold the bundle one hand. Hold the scissor. Some people call this hair, look, this is the fake version hair. It's not real. It's just technical hair. This people use the chemical to put on the bundles. This. Let's grab one more time for you. One more time. It's black. This. So one bundle plus another bundle. This. Remember, as you can see, they looks very similar. The fullness. A lot of ladies, they are only considering the fullness of the hair. As long as the fullness is good and they don't really to struggle with themselves about the material. Just now I was showing you the material, how the material it is. The fullness is almost the same, but I'm telling we are calling the material. When we are saying the quality, we're saying the material. We're not saying the fullness, we're saying the material of this hair. So another bundle. Remember, this video just to show you the raw hair and the virgin hair, the raw virgin hair. Nothing else, just teach you how to tell the real raw virgin hair. Look, it's black again. So the powder is black again. It's black, so it's different donors together. Of course, we also sell the different donors hair, and most importantly, we are focusing on the real raw virgin hair. So later we show you. I will scrap different position. Okay, I just scrapped on the top of the bundle. Now I scrap the bottom. Remember, like this position. Is 2 to 3 donors hair. So if people are telling you the bundle is raw virgin hair, if you do it this way to test the hair like this, so remember to hold the bundle like this, the pad just on the opposite side, not this, no, not pointed to the head, outside, and your hand hold like this, put it down from the top, scrap from the top to down. This. Okay, another bundle. This. Let's scrap again. Now it's clean. Nothing on the scissor. Okay, nothing on the scissor. Scrap again. Scrap Okay, black. It's 2 to 3 donors hair. It's not white gray. Okay. Another position of the hair down side. Okay. I scrub the hair slowly. It's black. The real raw virgin hair can be black like this. Remember the real raw virgin hair. The real raw virgin hair, the powder on the hair, that means the cuticle. The cuticle and the powder on the hair can be like that black. Okay, another bundle passed. And these two bundles are the raw virgin hair, but you need to pay attention to the color strands inside. If there are a lot of color strands inside the hair, it can be good quality because one person's hair will have different colors sometimes, but we will just pick the less color as less the color as less as possible to make into the bundle. We pick the less color, the less strands. You check this. It will be this one. This one will be more pure, a little bit brown, brown color inside, but it's easy to go to brown color, to bleach to brown color is easier. I'm not sure if you can check the difference between these two bundles. Which bundle has the less color strand inside? Which? Let me scrap the bundles for you again. This is the bundles we're selling. This is the bundle we're selling. Remember, I hold the bundle like this. Okay. Another hand. Start the hair. Okay, this is white gray. It's not black, you see. It's white. This is white. As you can see, this is white. So this one is our raw virgin hair. This one is our raw virgin hair bundle. This one. Check. I will scrap the bottom of the bundle. Okay. Different position. It's not black, it's white gray. This one is white. The powder is white. So remember, whatever the other vendors tell you their hair are 10A, 11A, 12A, or even 13A, 14A. Maybe in the future they will tell you 15A, 20A, whatever. You just do this, scraping the hair like this, and you check what color is the powder, the cuticle is. Then you know if it is the real raw virgin hair or not. Of course, the clients will purchase the hair depends on their pockets. If they have limited budget, maybe they will choose this type of hair. If they have limited budget, if they really want the real raw virgin hair, they will purchase this one. Remember this. This is white. Huh? It's white color, white gray color. Okay. So remember this type of hair we're selling every day. We also sell this type of hair, but only for the people who have limited budget. This we call different donors hair together. different donors hair together. That's why when we scrap the hair, it looks, it's not white. It's just this color, this powder. So this video just to let you guys become very, very smart. Forget what the other vendors tell you. Or if their hair are 10, 8, 11, 12, 8, 13, 8, 14, 15, 8, 16, 8, or even 28 in the future. The 12A can be real raw virgin hair. If they are selling the hair to you under the name of 8A, 9A, 10A, 11A, 12A, then it's only the selling trick. It's only a marketing strategy to sell online. Actually, I talked about the A grade. I talked about the A grade 3 years ago, 4 years ago, to remind people. But we did not do the marketing online to expand our videos around the world. So still a lot of people, they don't know the real quality of the hair. So if you are keen on, if you're only concerned, I'm saying if you're only concerned about the fullness and if you don't concern about the material, okay, no problem. This video is not helpful to you. This video is only helpful to the people who are very, very concerned about the material of the hair. That can last very, very long time. After scraping the hair, the powder is white, so you pay attention to the color of the powder on the hair. So I hope this video will be very helpful to you. These bundles we can control very, very well. And also some people will ask me about the lace closure lace bundle. I told you before, that's maybe 2 years before. The lace closure lace bundle was made before in North Korea, but since North Korea border closed and they do not open the border for us to bring the material or to their country to let the workers to make the lace closure lace bundle. So now we are all making the lace closure lace bundle in China. So we are just taking time to make it better and better and better. But whatever, it's very good now. We're doing very good now. A lot of clients like our lace closure lace bundle. So okay, that's only the side topic. The main topic is about this, how to tell the difference raw hair, different donor hair, single donor hair. This one is the single donor hair. One donor hair, the powder on the hair will be as white as possible, And the different donors hair, after you scrap the hair, the powder will be as black as possible. But we are saying the different donors hair and single donor hair. The other ways that they are selling hair like 8th grade, 10A, 11A, 12A. But maybe they will give you 20A, and you think maybe this hair 20A or 18A or 12A, okay, it's the top grade. If you think like that, it's totally wrong. If you think like that, it's totally wrong. You need to ask yourself. If you want to color the hair very well, then you choose the single donor hair. The single donor hair, I'm teaching you to scrap the hair like this. The single donor hair, I'm teaching you, after scraping the hair, the powder is white gray. Okay? Remember the Mejor single donor hair. The Mejor single donor, our name, Mejor single donor hair. The other hair are the different donors hair, but of course, it still can use and will be good quality if you know how to maintain this kind of hair. We have some customers keep buying this type of hair. Maybe their clients have limited budget and this hair is already good enough. I'm saying good enough, just enough for them to use for limited budget. It's okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. If you are looking for a higher grade, higher quality, higher material, then this hair will be good for you. But this video will teach you. If the other vendors are telling a lie this video teach you if the other vendors are telling a lie to you, so you can learn how to test the hair. I hope this video will be very helpful to you. Remember, this is what you need. Remember, this is what you need, the scissor. And I'll teach you again how to hold the hair. The head is we pointed outside on the opposite side. You scrap the hair like this and this one, okay? Like this, from top to down, scrap, okay? Okay. This is what you use, this one.